The Sunday Times newspaper, 20th of July, 1958. After 115 million miles and 1,112 million passengers, Western Australia's trams yesterday went to rest in a blaze of glory. WA has become the first Australian state to dispense entirely with trams. The Deputy General Manager of the WA Government Tramways and Ferries invites you to participate in the last tram ride in Perth. On the 19th of July 1958, tram number 66 ran down Route 18 for the very last time, marking the very last journey of a public tram in Perth. The final journey of tram number 66 began at Inglewood Terminus. About 2,000 people waited at the Inglewood terminus, and it seemed as if nearly all of them wanted to travel on her last trip. Nearly 200 of them did manage to get aboard before the tram, sent off with a rousing cheer, rolled majestically away on the final journey. The tram rambled down Beaufort Street, through Inglewood, Mount Lawley and Highgate, and then down Barrack Street in Perth, terminating at the Barrack Street jetty. The 3.5 miles of the Inglewood-Barrack Street jetty route were lined with men, women and children, and of course their dogs, waiting to wave farewell to an old friend. From the Barrack Street jetty the tram, escorted by police, slowly travelled its last leg to the car barn in East Perth. Dozens of old drivers and conductors were among those invited to ride on the tram's last mile, and hundreds of children on bicycles rode beside and behind the tram as it made its final journey. Perth's affection for the tram, or its joy at its demise, was unmistakable.
Some old lonesome day, and you're going to be sorry that you did me this way.